Are you ready to transform your smartphone from a scrolling device to a money-making powerhouse using the latest AI tools? Whether you want to leverage AI apps, automate tasks, or tap into cutting-edge platforms, I am going to show you how to maximize your income potential with minimal effort. From freelancing to passive income ideas, the sky is the beginning. To make it even better, no technical skills or big investment is required. I have already made a video on how to make money online with or without AI, but this time I will be going deeper to make things even clearer. I am breaking this topic down into different parts. So be on the lookout because I will be making more videos explaining in detail the various ways to make money online with AI using your smartphone. Also a reminder that most of these software have mobile-friendly versions of apps. Subscribe now and start unlocking the earning opportunities generated by AI right from your phone. So let's dive in. Step 1A. Content creation with AI tools. The first and one of the most popular ways to make money is by creating content using AI tools. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are booming, and you can use AI apps to generate content quickly. AI-powered tools are a game changer for these three main features that make them revolutionary: efficiency, affordability, and quality. Step 1. Crafting videos with CapCut and Runway ML Video is king in today's digital landscape, and platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts demand high-quality, engaging videos. Here's how CapCut and Runway ML can help. 1. CapCut. CapCut is a free, user-friendly video editing app perfect for creating short-form content. Key features include AI auto captions. Automatically generate accurate captions for your videos. 2. Saving you hours of manual typing. Background removal. Remove or replace video backgrounds with a single tap. Perfect for creating dynamic scenes without a green screen. Templates. Access pre-designed templates to create eye-catching videos in minutes. Pro tip: use CapCut's trending templates to align with viral content formats and increase your chances of going viral. 2. Runway ML. Runway ML takes video editing to the next level with its advanced AI features. Here's what it offers. Scene detection. Automatically cut your video into scenes, making editing a breeze. Text to video. Create short clips from text prompts, ideal for storytelling or explainer content. Green screen effects. Enhance your videos with Hollywood-style effects using AI-powered background removal. Pro tip: use Runway ML's text-to-video feature to experiment with unique visual concepts and stand out from the crowd. Step 2. Writing engaging scripts with ChatGPT and Jasper. Great video content starts with a compelling script. AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are invaluable for crafting ideas, refining your message, and keeping your audience hooked. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a versatile AI assistant that can generate video ideas based on your niche or audience, help you write catchy hooks, engaging descriptions, and clear call to actions, provide real-time feedback on your drafts to improve flow and clarity. Pro tip: use ChatGPT's brainstorming capabilities to develop a week's worth of content ideas in one session. 2. Jasper. Jasper is another powerful AI tool designed for marketing and content creation. Its strengths include tone customization. Adjust the tone of your script to match your brand, whether that's professional, playful, or conversational. Content templates. Access ready-made templates for YouTube scripts, blog posts, or social media captions. SEO optimization. Jasper suggests keywords to make your content more discoverable. Pro tip: use Jasper's SEO features to create scripts that not only engage your viewers, but also rank higher in search results. Step 3. Combining tools for maximum impact. Now that you understand the capabilities of these tools, here's how to combine them for seamless content creation. Plan your content. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to brainstorm ideas and outline your video script. For example, if you're making a how-to video, let AI help you structure your points and craft a compelling introduction. Film your video. Use your smartphone to shoot raw footage. Keep your shots simple, as tools like CapCut and Runway ML can enhance them later. Edit with CapCut. Upload your footage to CapCut and use its templates, captions and transitions to create a polished video. Add background music and sound effects for an extra layer of professionalism. Enhance with Runway ML. If your video needs advanced effects, upload it to Runway ML. Use scene detection and green screen effects to make your video stand out. Optimize your script. Once your video is edited, refine your captions and descriptions with ChatGPT or Jasper to ensure they're engaging and optimized for your platform. Here's how to make money. Post engaging content on social media platforms, build a following, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Alternatively, offer content creation services to small businesses or influencers who need help with editing, captions, or ideas. With just a few hours of effort each week, you could easily make $1,000 or more creating short, engaging videos. Tips for success: consistency is key. Post regularly to build your audience and stay relevant. Engage your audience. Use AI to craft questions or prompts that encourage viewers to comment and share. Stay updated. AI tools are constantly evolving, so explore new features and updates to stay ahead of the curve. Step 2A: AI-generated art sales. The first step in selling AI-generated art is picking the right tools. Here are some of the best options available. Midjourney. Ideal for generating breathtaking digital artwork from text prompts. Perfect for abstract art, landscapes, or concept designs. DALL-E. Use this tool to create realistic or imaginative images based on your descriptions. Great for commercial art and custom designs. Canva. A versatile design platform that incorporates AI to help you create posters, social media graphics, and templates. Pro tip: experiment with different tools to find one that aligns with your creative vision and target market. Most of these platforms have free or trial versions, so you can test them without breaking the bank. Step 2. Find your niche. To stand out in the market, it's important to define your niche. Here are some popular categories for AI-generated art. Digital downloads. Create and sell digital wallpapers, prints, or social media templates. Print-on-demand merchandise. Design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or tote bags using platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. 3. NFT art. Mint and sell your AI-generated art as NFTs on platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. Custom artwork. Offer personalized art services, such as portraits or logo designs, based on client requests. Pro tip: research trending styles and themes within your niche to understand what's currently in demand. For example, minimalist designs, surreal landscapes, and retro aesthetics are consistently popular. Step 3. Create high-quality art. Now it's time to create your art. Here are some tips to ensure your work stands out. Use clear prompts. When using AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, be specific in your prompts. For example, instead of typing a sunset, try a vibrant sunset over a futuristic city with glowing neon lights. Refine your work. Many AI tools allow you to tweak and refine the initial output. Use these features to add your personal touch and improve the quality. Consistency. Develop a consistent style or theme that reflects your brand. This makes your work more recognizable and appealing to your audience. Step 4. Set up your sales channels to start selling your AI-generated art. You'll need a platform to showcase your work. Here are some options. Etsy, perfect for selling digital downloads and custom artwork. Print-on-demand platforms. Use Redbubble, Societis, or Printful to sell merchandise without worrying about inventory or shipping. 3. Social media. Instagram and Pinterest are great for showcasing your art and driving traffic to your sales platforms. Personal website. Create a professional online store using platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, or WordPress. 2. NFT marketplaces. Platforms like OpenSea or Foundation are ideal for selling digital art as NFTs. Pro tip: use multiple platforms to diversify your income streams and reach a wider audience. Step 5. Market your art effectively. Marketing is key to success in any business. Here's how to promote your AI-generated art. Social media content. Share behind-the-scenes videos, time-lapse creations, or tips about AI art to engage your audience. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers or content creators who align with your niche to promote your work. SEO optimization. Use keywords in your product descriptions and titles to make your listings more discoverable. Run ads. Invest in targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest to reach potential buyers. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, host giveaways, and build a community around your art. Step 6. Price your work. Strategically, pricing can be tricky, but here are some guidelines to help. Research competitors. Check the pricing of similar products or services in your niche. Consider your costs. Factor in expenses like platform fees, AI tool subscriptions, and marketing. Offer tiers. Provide options at different price points, such as basic prints, premium framed art, or exclusive custom designs. Test and adjust. Monitor your sales and experiment with pricing to find what works best. Step 7. Stay updated and keep innovating. Technology is evolving rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Here's how to keep innovating. Learn new tools. Explore emerging AI tools and features to expand your creative possibilities. Follow trends. Keep an eye on design and art trends to ensure your work stays relevant. Engage with the community. Join online forums or groups focused on AI art to share ideas and learn from others. 4. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new styles, formats, or products to diversify your offerings. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments which tools you're excited to try, or if you've already had success with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.